One fruit a day can change your health. Let's see how. Apple keeps your heart healthy and helps with digestion. The banana gives instant energy and supports muscle strength.
Orange boosts immunity with vitamin C and keeps skin glowing.
Mango improves digestion and is rich in vitamins A and C. Strawberries are great for skin, heart health, and antioxidants. Islicrid. Grapes improve blood circulation and brain health. Pomegranate boosts blood health and strengthens immunity. Papaya helps digestion and keeps your gut healthy. Eat fresh fruits daily. Your body will thank you.